Hello friends, today we have to discuss what are the measures and steps an site engineer or a civil engineer have to check in the site. And firstly, you have to subscribe my channel and like the like button for my future videos and the bell icon for my future videos. Please subscribe my channel. And we have to come to the point. What are the measures we have to taken during a managing a site or an construction firm? We can check that. Project checklists, site land and surveying. First one, site land and surveying. That is, we have to survey the sand and plot the land well to check the municipality or corporation rules that are enabled for the site. And building drawing work, we have to, after surveying, we have to plan the drawings well and suitable, that is ground floor plan, first floor plan, projection plan, site plan and all that. After that, we have to approve the site plan or building plan to approval for the permit to corporation or for the AAE in corporation. After that, we have to create an agreement with the client. For that, after with the masonry all details, we have to create an agreement with the client. After that, we have to take an site office or site sheet for the supervisor, and after it we have to start the construction, ground leveling and preparation. We have to excavate the ground level and preparation, and bit level setting out and marking. We have to setting out the building with the plan, with an engineer supervision, with the workers. After that, we have to excavate it according to the plan in the building area. After, we have to order the material as per estimate, and we have to build the foundation as per QC policy, and column and footing up in the lintel level. We have to check the columns, cover and other devices. Foundation top leveling with cement mortar. We have to level the water level with mortar of the foundation level, and as also basement as per drawing and QC policy and agreement, and provide pipe outlet. We have to provide a pipe outlet for that, and plinth belt as per drawing, QC policy and agreement. And after the plinth belt, we have to take 7 days for curing and completion for the stronger, and we have to take compression strength test after the 7 days. And after the plinth filling, building set out and doors and opening markings, we have to all marking the building set outs and openings of all building in all buildings all, and we have to set out the building ordered. And 18th one, the masonry wall up to 10 cm below sill level and below stair landing and below kitchen slab as per QC policy. Provide sill slab below window, kitchen slab, staircase up to first landing. We have to provide a slab in the down of the kitchen slab or windows for the diagonal, for avoiding the diagonal cracks. Windows opening masonry wall to up to the lintel level. You have to open the windows hole up to the lintel level. And in the 21th the lintel berth slab and sunshade casting as per drawing and QC policy at 2.15 meter level. Brickwork above lintel to slab bottom and do the preferred leveling. We have to check the level all side. And ground floor RCC slab casting with staircase as per drawing and QC policy. After the slab, RC slab, we have to wait for 7 days for curing, and first floor masonry work set outing also we have to start it, and we have to it is an uh, 2-floor building, and we have to only measure the ground floor. And after ceiling plastering, 1:4 cement mortar as per the QC policy. After that, we have to wall plastering, 1:5 cement mortar as per the QC policy. Electrical plumbing and plumbing fixing, window door fixing as per QC policy. Also, we have to take PCC floor concreting on tiled and sunken portion, ceiling plastering, wall plastering, external plastering, painting work, handrail fixing. Also we have to cleaning and washing all the materials and house, etc. Also provide interior work.